Hey guys, Ryan Steinolfson here. It's 2 o'clock on Tuesday, and I am going to be talking about everything that has to do with conversational AI agents and agents that you can set up in order to get things done. A lot of people are talking about them right now. Open call. Hold on 1 second here. Got a background. Well, let's see. Hold on 1 second. I got to shut down something here. Let's see here. That's something is running in the background here. So, let me see here. I don't know where that is coming myself. Okay. That is here. Let me just make sure that okay, that's muted. Okay, that should be fixed. Sorry about that. I think the Instagram. Okay, so again, Ryan Seinelson here. I'm the founder of DIY AI. Um, DIY AI is an agency that delivers conversational AI agents to businesses that are looking to, and also optimizes Google local service ads um, with a software that we've developed called LSA Command. We have helped. I also am the founder of an agency that's been around for about 2 decades called Accelerate Marketing. And we help businesses optimize their Google local service ads, their Google business profile. And what I am doing today is I'm going to be talking to you about some really interesting topics. The 3 topics that we go over every day. You can also join our school community if you want. I'm going to post the information here. If you want more information, you can go to our website at diyai.ai. You can also go to our school community at skool.com/DIYAI. You can also call us or text us at 561-861-3238. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I will answer them and as fast as I possibly can. And again, I'm the founder of a 7 agency, so I've seen a lot. I can answer a lot of questions that you have if you have any. I am setting up my own OpenClaw agent and have been working on that for about 2 or 3 weeks now, as a lot of people are. You can use different tools like Manus. We started developing conversational AI agents years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, more than 2 years ago. And now those are very standard. And the reason why I did that is in order to get better results with the Google local service ads platform, because Google expects every call to be answered in 30 seconds or less and message lead to be responded to within 30 seconds. So that's why we really optimize for that. With a AI agent backing up the humans that are answering the phone for the various businesses that we work with. So I'm going to talk about, like I said, 3 topics today. The title of today's workshop is how to build AI agents that handle 80% of your support tickets. And not just support, but you can build agents that get work done. You can give them goals, which is just achieved by giving them a skill so that they understand how to complete the goal, and then a soul so that they understand a soul.md file. MD stands for markdown, in order for them to understand what it is that their purpose is, what their goal is, what they're trying to achieve. As long as you give them the access that they need to the tools that they need, they can go out there and get and achieve those goals. And there's different agents that that you can use, like Claude Cowork or Manus, OpenClaw, Agent Zero, etc. There's so many of them now. So most small businesses are stuck in the answer and deflect era of AI. You build a chatbot, it spits out a link. This is what we started doing, 2 years ago. It spits out a link to an FAQ page, and your customer gets annoyed. The model is dead. As of April 26, the data shows that 80% of routine interactions can be fully handled by AI, but only if you shift to Agentic AI. What I'm going to show you today is the difference between a bot that talks and an agent that gets things done, which we've talked about for many weeks now. So from answer to execute, the agentic workflow evolution. If your AI can't process a refund, it's just a glorified search bar. So in a 2026 report, they revealed that 65% of AI-enabled support agents have moved past basic FAQs into multi-step execution. So what I'm going to show you is how to use no-code drag and drop workflow builders to connect your conversational AI directly to your CRM so it can take actual actions, booking, canceling, updating without human intervention. So this is really important. If you have an AI agent that communicates with people that your clients, you want to make sure that the agents can actually do things like book appointments, cancel appointments, update information, etc. So there's a unified omni-channel profile, the end of repeating yourself. Okay, so this is the topic number 2 I wanted to talk about. So your customers hate repeating their problem. Let the AI remember it. So this is where building agents that have full context. This is really where the next phase of building AI agents is giving the agents being a context engineer is really the next iteration of building agents, is building agents that have full context of the conversation that it's had with you so that it remembers across platforms, SMS, web chat, DMs, etc. So if you don't have an agent that can do that, then really it's important that you think along those lines, because ultimately that's what people are expecting in the future, okay, if not right now. So the third topic is routines. Stop problems before they happen. Don't wait for the complaint. Let the AI fix it before they call. Support, and this is really obviously the whole meeting today is all about support, and support is shifting from reactive to predictive. There's ways to program agents to spot drop-off signs, like a customer repeatedly checking a specific help page, and trigger a proactive, personalized message to solve the issue before it escalates into a one-star review. This I just experienced today with Hostinger. So Hostinger has an AI agent built into its platform, and you can ask it questions, and the agent can actually do things on your account. So it's not just talking to you, it's actually able to get things done based on your conversation. Now it asks you if you want it to actually complete what it is that you're asking it to do. So it's permission based. It doesn't just go and do it. The great thing though is that it does at least have that kind of functionality so that you can get things done more effectively. And that's what people really are expecting. So I'd love for you guys to join me next week. 2 p.m. again is the time. You can ask any questions. I'll respond to any questions that you post. And you can go to our website at DIY AI. You can also go to our school community. It's free, school.com/DIY AI. You can also call us or text us and communicate directly with our AI agent, 561-861-3238, or us, and I will communicate with you there as well. So the agent and myself take all those calls. All right. Thank you. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.